Hi, we're going to take a look at your MT7 LT4 affirmation right now. On this problem, letter A is fine, so I'm going to concentrate on letter B. In the scale model, the length of the boat is 7 inches. So when you set up your proportion, we know 1 inch represents 8 feet. If you want to put the units in, that's actually not such a bad idea. I'm going to make a proportion out of that. In the scale model, the length of the boat is 7 inches. So I'm going to put the 7 in the numerator because that's my inches. And I want to find what's missing. Call that x. Now, how do you do that? Well, first off, x is in the denominator, isn't it? So let's flip. Take the reciprocal of both sides. We have 8 is to 1 as x is to 7. Just take the reciprocal of both sides. Now, you want to get x by itself, so I'm divided by 7, so we're going to multiply both sides by 7. You want to write that as 7 over 1? You certainly can. So x, because the 7's reduced, equals 56. There's your answer. So it would be 56 feet. For some reason, you had half that answer. But since I can't see your work, I don't know what you did. Let's take a look at another one here. We have these two similar triangles because we know we each have a right angle in them, and we know the vertical angles are congruent, so we know these two triangles are similar. So that tells me the sides are in proportion. X in the top triangle, what does that correspond to? We got a couple different choices, but I think the easiest one is to find x is the leg of the top triangle. Let's compare that to the leg of the bottom triangle. So x is to 2. I'll go back to the top triangle. 7.5 is my hypotenuse, and 5 is a hypotenuse in the triangle on the bottom. Now, to get x by itself, we multiply both sides by 2. Once again, if you want to write that as 2 over 1, you can. So we get x equals. Well, 2 doesn't go into 5, so 7.5 times 2, well, that's 15. 15 over 5 is 3. You had 3.5 for some reason. I don't know what you did wrong there, but this is how you would have done those problems. Now I have opened up the affirmation and will have you complete the redo.